নমস্কাৰ আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম অসমৰ বিষয়ে কিছুমান সাধাৰণ জ্ঞানৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ ইংৰাজী ভাষাত Question number 1 In ancient times Assam is also known by the name of A. Koliabor B. Guwahati C. Pragjyotispur and D. Soraido Right answer is C. Pragjyotispur The Ahom kingdom was established in the year A. 1216 B. 1228 C. 1256 and D. 1272 Right answer B. 1228 Question 3 In which hilltop Kamakhya temple is located? A. Nilachal Hill B. Chitrachal Hill C. Sindhyachal Hill and D. Jogini Hill Right answer is option A. Nilachal Hill Question 4 In which year the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dispur? A. 1950 B. 1955 C. 1965 and D. 1973 Right answer is D. 1973 Question 5 In which year Sukafa established Ahom kingdom in Soraido? A. 1253 B. 1272 C. 1296 D. 1309 A. 1200 Question 6 The War of Saraighat was fought between Ahom and Mughal in the year A. 1652 B. 1667 C. 1670 and D. 1671 Right answer D. 1671 Question 7 Mahatma Gandhi first visited Assam in the year A. 1918 B. 1919 C. 1920 and D. 1921 Right answer is D. 1921 Question 8 Which language is used by Shankardev to write and Borgit? A. Assamese B. Sanskrit D. C. Bengali and D. Brajavali Right answer is D. Brajavali Question 9 The literacy of Assam according to 2011 census is A. 72.19% B. 72.58% C. 73.12% and D. 73.98% Right answer A. 72. Question 10 When the uprising of Patharugarh took place? A. 1856 B. 1897 C. 1890 and D. 1894 Right answer is D. 1894 Question 11 Total number of parliamentary constituency in Assam A. 12 B. 13 C. 14 and D. 15 Right answer is C. 15 Question 12 Guwahati University was established in the year A. 1930 B. 1942 C. 1948 and D. 1950 Right answer is C. 1948 Question 13 Which city of Assam has largest dry fish market of Asia? A. Tongla B. Jagirod C. Dhuburi and D. Tinsukia Right answer is B. Jagirod Question 14 The Brahmaputra Kereka and Polymer Limited Industry is located at A. Makum B. Mariani C. Lepetkata and D. Nagaon Right answer is C. Lepetkata Which town is also known as the Manchester of Assam? A. Jorhat B. Hualkusi C. Difu and D. Digboi Right answer is option B. Hualkusi Question 16 The Guwahati Tea Auction Center was established in the year 1970, 1978, 1987 and 1995 Right answer is option A. 1970 Question 17 In which year National Games was held in Assam? 2002, 2004, 2006 and 2007 Right answer is option D. 2007 In which district Gorampani Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Golaghat, Sibsagar, Karbi Anglong and Digboi Right answer is A. Golaghat 19 Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is located at Chirang, Dibrugarh, Kokrajhar and Jorhat Right answer is D. Jorhat Question 20. Which one is the largest district in Assam by area with? Borpeta, Karbi Anglong, Sibsagar and Dibrugarh. Right answer option B, Karbi Anglong. 21. The first book to win Sahitya Academy Awards is Layadungam, Bonaful, Aloknanda and Pitaputra. Right answer is B, Bonful. Total number of districts in Assam: A32, B36, C34 and D33. Right answer is option C, 34. The first Assamese magazine Orunodoi was published in the year 1836, 1846, 1856 and 1866. Right answer is option B, 1846. The state anthem Omar Apnar Desh was first published in the magazine named A. Bahi, B. Junaki, C. Surabi and D. Jonbiri. Right answer is A. Bahi. The first Assamese film Jayamati was released in the year 1922, 1935, 1940 and 1945. Right answer is option B, 1935.